Yeah, this is your Beijing Apple project guy doing kind of a emergency video because we'll be having some very heavy winds here in Barbados the 14th of August, and because of that very strong wind, it has removed one of my apples, as you can see there, so I have no choice. Okay, so this is the apple that you saw just now that came off as a result of a very strong wind. So I guess I'll be doing a taste test. Yeah, I'm sad, but yeah, so we'll do a taste test shortly and let you know. Okay, and I guess this is one of the biggest apples that I've had so far. Okay, so I am in now, and as you can see, I have the apple here and the knife. I'm going to be doing a taste test, but when you live in a place like Barbados, you're in the hurricane belt, and certain things can happen. We're expecting the system to pass soon, so as I said, we have a very strong wind. So I have had to take the fruit, and this fruit will probably have been ready probably next 2 months or so. But as I said, in comparison to previous years, this is the biggest fruit I've had. And this is the first time that this tree is bearing, so it's a good sign. So I will do a taste test at this point in time. Okay, and before I do the taste test, I want you to know also that the apple has the shape. In previous years, I've had 1 or 2 apples that were not the best of shapes. Okay, but this one definitely has that that apple shape that we are accustomed to. Okay, this is inside the apple. As you can see, there is some browning of the seeds. The little white there, you probably cut through the seed, but this is a good sign. The apple is probably on its way to being ripe. But the only way that we know is by taste testing. But as I said, I don't expect the taste to be anything great because, as I said, the apple is very young, probably just about 2 months, 2 months old. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so I have a little piece of the apple here, so I'm gonna taste it. As I said, I'm not expecting it to be sweet, so let's see how it goes. Well, it's not sweet, but it's not sour either. It's edible, and I just said another 2 months, okay, it would be yeah. But it's, as I said, it's not sour. It's very edible, but it's not sweet. I mean, I can taste a little sweetness in it, but as the apple ripens, obviously, then that would be that's something that would happen. But nevertheless, I give God thanks. Okay, because at the end of the day, I've been able to successfully grow and fruit apples right here in tropical sunny Barbados. I remember that these apple trees were grown using store-bought apple seeds, and it can be done here in Barbados. It can be done in many other places that have similar weather conditions. Okay, so until next time, this is your Beijing Apple Project guy signing out.